Hi, I'm Dilip and welcome again to Qubit Quants. In today's presentation, we will cover the strategy module used in our MT5 Algorithmic Trading Bot. This is a follow-up to the previous presentation where we saw the MT5 PyBot module. The strategy module contains the logic of the trading strategy, and thus we can say it is actually the brains behind the bot. A strategy, as all traders would know, is formed by the combination and confluence of one or more indicators, effectively defining the rules of the strategy for which we generate the buy or sell signals for any asset. Of course, we can also add a meta-level prediction layer using this machine learning technique called meta-labeling to further enhance the accuracy of the strategy. And this is in the pipeline for our development. The strategy module also defines the rules of risk and position management, such as what price to enter a trade, where to exit a trade, that is at a stop loss or a take profit, and how much capital to risk per trade. For testing our algo trading bot's infrastructure and verifying its proper functionality, we picked this toy strategy called this Double Bollinger Band Strategy, which uses two sets of Bollinger Bands, one on the closing price and another on the RSI on the same time frame. And as is typical with all Bollinger Band strategies, we short the instrument when both the price and the RSI hit their respective upper Bollinger Bands. And likewise, we go long when both the price and the RSI hit their respective lower Bollinger Bands. This strategy was discovered on this substack.com page, and I've indicated the link here. Please feel free to check it out if you're interested. For the risk, we risk only 0.5% of our balance per trade. The stop loss is set at a distance of 2.5 times the standard deviation from the current ask price, and likewise the take profit is set at a slightly lesser distance of 2.0 times the standard deviation from the current ask. For our position management, we close half positions when price reaches the middle Bollinger Band on the immediate lower time frame. That is, if our strategy is based, for example, say the 5-minute time frame, then this half position close would happen when the closing price on the 1-minute chart reaches the middle Bollinger Band on the 1-minute time frame. Thereafter, we move the stop loss to break even, and the remaining position is closed either at the set TP or when the strategy generates the opposing signal when price reaches the opposite Bollinger Band. Now we will just see a short code walkthrough of this toy strategy written in Python. I'll be doing this walkthrough at a brisk pace, but feel free to pause and study the code at your own leisure. As you can see, we import our MT5 PyBot module, which we saw in the last presentation, and for indicators we use this tlib Python library. Here we specify the risk and parameters of our strategy and the symbols for which we want to trade. We have this MT5 connect sans initialize function, which basically logs in and connects to our MT5 account, and it returns a success or an error message depending on whether the login action was successful or not. We noticed some server connection problems happening typically at the close of the day on the MT5 server time when we were testing this bot. So we developed this MT5 check reconnect till true function to attempt multiple logins till it reconnects successfully to the MT5 server using this while true loop. The next function, check and add to market watch, simply checks if a particular symbol is there in the market watch of the MT5 terminal. If not, it will add it to the market watch. This get strategy signal to BB function is where we code our double Bollinger Band strategy, and it will return either a buy signal along with the standard deviation of the closing price, or a sell and the standard deviation, or if there is no signal, it will basically return a tuple of nuns. In this position manager function, we create the rules for managing our open positions, such as closing the half the positions when price reaches the middle Bollinger Band, and then moving the stop loss to break even using this modify order function. And this open position tickets manager function deals with the ticket management system. It adds ticket IDs to this tickets dict global variable when new positions are opened, and likewise it removes ticket IDs from this tickets dict when positions are completely closed. This strategy run function is basically a master function that handles the complete execution of the strategy and the position management. We also enforce an additional rule to close positions when opposing signals are generated. Like, for example, closing a long position on a particular symbol when the strategy generates a sell signal and vice versa. And if the strategy returns a non-signal, there is no action taken. Finally, we put all this in this while loop, all the functions in the strategy.py module, and we run this script for the entire week from Monday to Friday. The bot is running on a free tier AWS EC2 instance on a Windows Server 2022 environment. The EC2 instance would close automatically on a Friday night, and it can be programmed automatically to start again on a Monday morning via a CloudFormation template. Now let's see the bot in action in the upcoming video. I hope you enjoy the show. Take care and see you in the next video.